This is Yoga Chosali, and today's I'll start the Python tutorial. Okay, today's agenda is you why Python name false Python. Second agenda was what the use of Python and what the future of Python after you learning the Python. What the field you have to choose after learning Python. Okay, third, how to download the Python. Fourth is a very important thing, is a coding. I'll show you how to write code and how to print this code in the Python. Today is a full agenda. Please watch this complete video. Okay, first, why Python name actually fall Python. Okay, everyone know about the Python is a very dead snake. Yeah, it's a second matter. What the first reason to Python name took? Okay, our creator who created the Python, his name is the Guido Ran was Rosham. He is Britain is there is a very famous comedian show which name is the Monty Python's Flying Cars. So he took the Python name from this show because he liked this show. Okay, और like के पीछे कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते, जिसे like किया तो रखेगा ही नाम. Of course, Python वहां से उसने ये नाम पिक कर लिया और प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज का नाम Python रख दिया. Or it's a very big thing. You see the symbol of Python is look like a Python snack. Okay, yeah, of course. उसने जो symbol रखा Python snack के symbol pick कर लिया. Okay, it's a backend of the Python why Python names actually fall. Maybe you make sense and you're understanding why Python names falls. Okay, second agenda was what the use of Python and what the future of Python. Python is a basic programming language. You have to learn Python. After Python you will move in a different field. I'll explain. Okay, first field is web designing. If you learn the Python as a basic, then it will be very helpful for move your career in the web designing with the Django. Okay, second is a window application. Here also Python play important role to moving you to in the field of window application. Third is a very booming thing, data analytics. If you want to become a data scientist in the so you have to learn Python as a basic, then and many things like a pandas, numpy, many other things to mine your data, to analyze and plotting a graph, many other things. Okay, if you want to become to go your career in the field of machine learning, deep learning, so Python also play a basic role. Okay, so Python is important. Maybe you're understanding how important Python to moving numbers of field. So that's why you have to learn Python, and it's also depend on you after in which field your interest. If you want to become a web designer, so you can switch your field in a web designing, window application. If you want to become a data scientist, so you can go in the data science field. If you want to become a machine learner and many things, so you can go in the switch your career in the machine learning, deep learning field. Okay, it's a how Python important. So you have Python. Why we learn Python? Python is a basic and it's an object oriented thing. It's a easy to learn, open source, many reason to learn Python, and really it's a very simple language. Okay, so third thing, how to download Python. Everyone know how to download Python, as every apps where we download in Google. So you can search in Google Python official site, then go to the official site. After go the official site, you see this same. Okay, here the option of download, you can click here download, then you show here two versions, Python 3x, Python 3.7 and Python 2. Okay, I recommended you to download Python 3.7. After downloading, you will install this in your system. It's the very easiest. It will I think no challenge are you facing to download the Python. Okay, रही बात main thing कि how to write code. I'll show you how Python. First we have to open Python. Okay, I'll show you how we write the Python code and how to print this code and many other things today. Okay, now give me some second to opening Python. Okay, give me P, wait, P Y. Okay, it is a Python GUI. I open this. It will take 10 to 20 seconds to open. Yeah, okay, only 10 to 20 seconds to open. Python is important, and now it is opening to Python. How we write code in the Python is a very big challenge we are facing, to how to write, how to print. And now today we are teach you easiest way to print the code and to write the code in Python. Okay, is a Python GUI. Every programmer, for as I also, their first code is hello. Same here. Today I'll show you how to write hello in the Python. Let's see here. X equal to, why we write X? Because here in X we assigning the hello. Hello Yogi. It's my name Yogi. Yogesh, and as a short form of the Yogi. Okay, I'll assign hello Yogi in the X. So how we print the X? In the Python we have two options to print the X. Simple. When we write X and press the enter. Now let's so is print. Second option is print bracket X. Okay, hello Yogi printed. So it's a simplest way how we print our code, how we write code. So I think you will understand it's a very simplest. So I'll be show how to add subtract with the using of Python. Okay, let's assign. मैं आप दिखाता हूँ कि कैसे हम add subtract करते हैं Python के through. It's a very simple. Let we assign some numbers with the two variable. Okay, y I'll choosing a random thing, y equal to 12 and t equal to 10. Okay, so how to add y? Simple, plus t and print it will show 22. Same as I told earlier, we have two options to print. First is a normal print and second is the using the print print. Okay, y plus t, close the bracket and print. It will show 22. How to subtract y minus t? Same, if you're using a t minus y, it will show minus 2. Okay, and how we multiply y star t? What the sign of this star? It will show multiplication. Okay, 120 is the easiest to for my side is easy to learn Python. It's a simple code I write here, not a code. Is a simple comments, is a simple lines we're writing here only for understand you to how to write in GUI. Only we are assign the numbers and print, so we can print. You will practice either as same for choosing your name, your digits for your monthly billing to for the Python. Okay, hope it makes sense, and I'll be start tutorial. Is my first tutorial. Maybe you'll find a next tutorial with the starting the Python. In my complete Python I'll make a I'll be teach you oops, loops, everything, encoder, generators, everything in a Python. Okay, mate. Okay, bye bye. I'll meet in a next tutorial. Bye bye.